Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We are opening the fall FabFitFun. I meant to get this video to you guys yesterday, but I didn't actually get the box. It was like an edit sale purchase I got, but luckily the box came today. I have the contents all around me. I'm going to try my best to do it in order, but I may be off a little bit. I did film the customization. I did a screen recording when I chose all of the items. If you want to see my process and why I chose what, I will link that down below. If you guys are not yet subscribed to FabFitFun, it's $49.99 a season, and there are codes around that will save you $10, so I will leave a link and some codes down below if you're interested. Before we get started, hi, my name is Kitty. Welcome if you are new here. I love subscription boxes. I open them pretty frequently here on our channel. It's a little scattered when I post right now because I'm moving super soon, so if there's a mess around, that's why. And I'm kind of messy sometimes anyway. But yeah, let's just get straight to the unboxing, you guys. So what do I think the first one is? Well, here is the first one, the first item. So I was looking through here and I don't know. Maybe I'm just missing it, but they used to show all the options. I guess I understand why they wouldn't waste like space because we already knew that like when we picked. So let's start off with the cooking stuff. Was that the first one? I was gonna leave things in the boxes, but I figured I could just lift this out and put it right back in the box and just pack this all away. But I picked a Dutch oven and I didn't really know what to expect. It's kind of small, but actually not. Like the box it came in looks really small, but this is it. I don't really know what you do. I saw Jen Love's reviews, made some mac and cheese, and I was like, done. That'll be the first thing I make, but apparently it cooks things faster. It looks really pretty, at least for your kitchen. But when I move, I want to cook more. So I added on another cooking item in this category. Again, I feel like I'm doing this out of order, but I didn't take this out because you can kind of see it, but this is a Shantum Chef 8-inch frying pan. And look, they have all these different colors. I think I just got mine in black though. Doesn't really matter, but that looks really pretty. So yeah, it's a non-stick. It's free of the icky stuff that some of the non-sticks have apparently. PFOA free and PTFE free. I don't know exactly what this is, but I know it's not good for you. And it says to wash before use. Okay. So yeah, maybe I'll be cooking soon. I hope so. And then next, what category was next? I have two bags here. I feel like I added these on. I don't really need them, like especially now that I'm like getting rid of bags. Which, by the way, there's a giveaway going on. 3 winners will receive purses stuffed full of like makeup, skincare, and lifestyle items. I will link that giveaway video down below. But I thought this could be useful if I go on like day trips around Florida, concerts. It's like a fanny pack, but they call it something different. What do they call it? A belt bag. I guess fanny pack isn't a cool term anymore, but that's back in my day, that's what we called it. So I thought this was cute, and I don't have one actually. Out of all the bags, I never had that. And then this is a backpack. What is this called? The all-purpose packable backpack. So I thought this could be useful too. Should I open it? Yeah, whatever. I wasn't going to because I'm like, oh well, I want to be able to pack it quickly, but I guess the point of this is supposed to be easy. Oh my god, cool. This one sounds undone. And it has leopard print. Okay, yeah, I think this will be useful. I can actually pack something into it. Look, there's like some side thing here for your water bottle or whatever. Coffee. So yeah, I think those are each $10 to add in whatever category they were in. I feel like I'm missing things. I don't know. How about we talk about the Coach items? So I have them on today. So here's the bag. I left this out to remind me. So this was a $125 value. And I have the earrings here. Hopefully you can see. If not, I will leave a picture on the screen. And then I have the necklace. So I have another necklace on. It's a lotus flower. It just has really special meaning to me right now. I didn't want to take it off. And it kind of falls like perfectly above it. But I think this is really pretty. At first I was gonna like maybe keep it and give it away as a gift, like for Christmas or something, and then I was like, wait, what month is it? Summer box, and I just kind of wanted it. So I think that was great. Like I had to select that option. I think whatever else was in that category, I thought that was by far the best. I can't remember what else there was, which I should because yeah, whatever. There's a lot of boxes and a lot of stuff going on in my life. I can't remember everything. But the next item I chose was the Camp Gladiator. Like, so you get a jump rope here and then 3 months to their program. And you guys warned me. You guys said there's been some issues with them. Like people sign up for the program and they're unable to like end their subscription or their membership. I haven't joined it yet or anything, and I was thinking about not getting it, but I also wanted to jump rope. I want to like have some reminder to work out more, and I'm so annoyed. I'm sorry, my nose runs all the time. I have allergies right now or something. I think it might be because I blast the air before I film, because then I turn it off and I don't want to be like a sweaty mess, so it's just a little cold. But yeah, so I did not look into it yet. I want to see what happens, like if they've like changed their ways and stuff, but I just really wanted that jump rope and classes, so I guess I will risk it. I don't know how much the class actually is, but that's really sketchy. Like, how could they get away with that? I would think enough people would bring it to like the light, like you guys did to me, that they'd have to change their practices, because they're going to get reported to the Better Business Bureau, right? The BBB, if they don't change their ways. But anyways, next up, I chose a body cleanser. I feel like this is just like one category. At first I thought this was part of like the 6, 7, and 8, but no. This is by Kors. It's the Renewing Body Cleanser, and I like their product. I don't know, I don't have anything else to say. The other stuff in this category was like the papaya enzyme peel by Elemis and like a few other things like that, and this just was the one I thought I would use the most. Like, I have a bunch of skincare, but like I go through body cleanser pretty quick, and this sounded interesting, and it's in Santorini grape, and it's mostly natural. I don't know. I'm not gonna open it because I am moving. How many times can I say that? You guys are probably like, I know, I get it. And then next up, what am I missing in this whole thing? Oh, hey, I was excited about that. So you guys know, I love trivia. Before COVID, I was in a trivia league. It's permanently disbanded. I had to find a new one. I just hung out with my aunt who I did trivia with like 2 days ago, and we were talking about like finding a new place or something. But yeah, so this is the after dinner food and drink trivia box, and I am super excited. There's 120 food and drink questions. So when I have people over to my new place, I will have this just out and we can play some fun games, some fun trivia. With some cocktails. I don't know. I'm really excited to move and hopefully host some people over. And then I think the only thing left is the category 6 through 8, so you get like a bundle. And here is mine. So I chose the bundle that had the hair combs by Zoe Ayla. Is that how you say it? Zoe Ayla Eco-Friendly Comb Set. Look, I didn't realize the box would be so cute. Not like that matters. But there's just 2 combs in here. I'm not going to open it right now. So they're eco-friendly too, so cool. So we all know what combs look like probably. I could probably use one right now. But then I've gotten this before, and I really like this brand actually, by Earth Harbor. It's their Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. So they have like these serums that are oil-based, and I just love oils, even though I probably look like I'm really oily all the time. I just believe that moisturizing your skin with both an oil and a moisturizer like really help with aging and stuff, and it balances the oil production of your skin in general. So I love this, and I love that they're ethical. So they're all plant-based, cruelty-free, vegan, fair trade, sustainable, woman-owned, small batches. I think their products are great. Have you guys tried them? Probably, because you guys are likely in the subscription box world, and we've gotten this in several different boxes. I don't know about this one exactly. Is this the blue one? I've gotten a blue one. Right now I have the red one open, which is like anti-pollution or something. I think this is the blue one. Yeah, so you might have gotten this one before. Was it in Allure? I don't know. But we've gotten a blue and a green and a red one in different boxes. Not like that means much. I do know the red one. What is the green one? I don't know. But then, by 2 Bandits, I really wanted this actually. I think this is what like made me pick this option, even though it was in several, but this is a catch-all tray that like stacks. So I thought this would be great, and I wasn't sure what the size would be like. It's bigger than I thought it would be, so that's great. And like there's kind of like some texture here to help like things from moving around. So this would be great like for like rings, earrings, and stuff like that kind of tend to go missing. Maybe hair ties you put in one so your cat doesn't steal them and hide them who knows where. I bet there'll be a lot like when I move furniture and stuff in a couple days. But was that everything? I did get a few add-ons other than the ones I got in addition to the categories. And I got a beach towel because all my beach towels are kind of beat up. So I got one by Summer and Rose, Let the Sun Shine In. It has a rainbow on it, and it's microfiber. I didn't realize that at first, but yeah, I have a nice pool at the place I'm moving into, and I want to try and get a little bit more vitamin D and go outside more, so I wanted to get a new towel, like, to bring with me. And then I got some scrunchies, because, like, I can't get enough scrunchies. This is a pack of 5 for like $5, and I've said this before, but like, I'll buy anything I want that's $5 or less, and I know that's not good because like I went on an eBay streak for at some point where I got a lot of things for $5, but that adds up. But anyways, I got this for $5, so 5 scrunchies, like, sweet, yeah, okay. And then I got this for $5 too. I actually just had the box here. I used it after I showered and washed my face today. It's by Hero Cosmetics. They're the brand that has those patches, which I really like. Whenever I get a big zit, which I think maybe it's the stress of moving, or I don't know what, maybe like because it's hotter and I'm sweating more, but I've got a few big zits, and those little patches you put on first sign, it seriously decreases the lifespan of those huge ass things, you know. And then this you use after, so like the there's no like discoloration, or it goes away quicker. The Post Blemish Recovery Cream visually soothes, restores with panthenol, beta-glucan, and oligopeptides. So I've gotten a sample of this, like a foil packet. I think it was in Allure, if I'm remembering correctly. I think everything from Allure today, but I think it was, and I liked it. So I saw this for $5, had to get it, but I didn't go too add-on crazy because, you know, at first I put like everything in my cart and then I took it out because I'm like, okay, first of all, you're moving, don't spend money, plus it's more stuff to bring with you. So I only added on things I thought I really would use, like scrunchies I'll use, cookware I'll use. The fanny pack, I don't think I really need it, but you know, yeah. Maybe I do. Maybe I do need a fanny pack, a belt bag. But anyways, that's it, you guys. I think that's all I have to show you today. I'm hoping you're liking these quicker videos, me in a rush. I can't wait to move, but I have a lot of boxes to open before I move, so I'm probably going to have like a little like few days off and then boom, boom, boom with videos, because yeah, I'd prefer to open things and then move them to less boxes and then put all the contents into like one box. Like, I'm saving these big FabFitFun boxes. That's actually really helpful. Anyways, I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Are you doing anything fun? Let me know your plans. No matter what you're doing, I hope you're safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.